Today is Sunday, July 8th, 2012. Time, I think a little after 6 a.m. This video is about, I guess, a bird. I had to come to this window because there's a bird chirping, a black bird in the tree there. Saying it out loud. I don't know why it's me. Never heard it. So it sound like that. It's always on my window. What's really upsetting you, bird? And there's a typical sparrow, brown sparrow over it. And another bird I never saw before, I think. Oh, there's a lot. I think I heard it scream like this before. In my backyard, there were two birds, I guess a male and female. And they had a nest in a tree next door to me. This nest was literally next door to my house. And I actually saw a squirrel climb up the tree, go towards the nest, kick eggs out of that particular nest, eggs which were laid by the female bird. And the female bird and the male bird screamed. And their screams sound similar to this. Maybe there's a cat around here. Maybe the cat may have stolen the screaming bird's egg. So he was having a fit. And since I'm talking about birds, I believe there was an incident I saw, maybe 8 years ago on Fulton, corner Nostrand Avenue, Fulton Street here in Brooklyn, New York. And a sparrow had flown in a hair store. Not a hair store, a beauty salon. And I saw the bird flapping around inside this beauty salon. And this black guy inside his store picked up a broom and chased the sparrow around the store, and the sparrow more or less got tired flying around the store, and the sparrow landed on the floor inside his beautician, this beauty salon. And I guess this particular person was a beautician, and the person picked up the bird that fell to the ground, and he held the bird in his hand. Then the bird woke up and started to scream, and the bird's scream sounded like this. Sound like this bird. The bird was screaming in the man's hand, and all of a sudden the man just let the bird loose out of his head, and the bird flown out of the store. And that was the last time I had seen him. Look at all these birds. That's the last time I saw that particular sparrow yet. Anyhow, there's a blackbird. The blackbird screaming galore, and 2 or 3 sparrows are in a tree looking at the bird screaming. Kind of like the little sparrows are trying to check out what is going on. Let me go on to the street. Cats. Oh, no wonder the bird is screaming. The cat just killed a little baby bird. Wow, how sad. Bird is screaming. It's like the bird is trying to scream for help. Oh, the little bird looks like he's dying. It's like a baby bird. Well, I guess this is life. Survival of the fittest. How sad.